No mai koutou. Hi, my name is Chloe.
And more ātara WINTON SCHOOL. I'm Vanessa. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for our mere the 22nd of May.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is tero, which is te reo for oyster.
As in, kei te pai ngā te o ki ahau. I like oysters. No, I don't.
Me neither. Ka pai. Okay, on to library news. The library is open on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's today.
Science and social science news. All year 5 and 6 students interested, please see Mrs Collett in the library at interval. Ka pai.
Okay, high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play.
And talking of lunchtime, please take care and be patient while queuing for sausages and hot chocolates today. Kia ora.
Basketball news. Good luck to all teams shooting hoops tonight.
No birthdays at WINTON SCHOOL today, and none this weekend.
In fact, there is only one birthday in the next 2 weeks.
Interesting. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a te wiki.
Hi, WINTON SCHOOL.